birthdays.
She's okay, you guys. Her mama's with her. Woo! Can you throw the hoops in the air? Throw the hoops in the air. Ready? Go, Vivian. 1, 2, whee! Whee! Good job. Good job, Liliana. Mira, throw it in the air. Throw the... Woohoo! Yay!
Whoa!
Good job. How about you, Tyler? Do you want to throw your hoop in the air?
Hi, you guys.
You just gotta hold it. Yeah. You take. Hi. Oh, it's getting hot now. Isn't that funny how cold it was before? They loved. Oh, she is saying, "What are you doing?" That's so cute. Oh, is she doing the split? What is that, Mira? Splash, 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 splash. Jump, jump, jump. Can you go wet your head? You want to go wet your hair? It's okay, it's okay. You want to go wet your hair? Go, you want to go chase him? Go chase him. Go chase! Go chase! You want to go wet your hair, Mira? What are you doing?
Birthday to